Done. Kapit.
Almost done.
All right.
Okay na to?
We'll see. This is the service of the mechanics, and we'll see the results after the dry run today. And then maybe in about 10 minutes, everything already secured. Oh, securing already. Wow, look at this. A water line over there going in and out back to the system. Yes, the fuel here. This is the fuel filter. The normal line is here going in to the carburetor. And then we remove this one. We put our line going into the gadget, then out back to the radiator, and that's it. Thank you.